Hello everyone. KGP is bustling with a pool of super talented people who continue to inspire and motivate all of us. I have taken this initiative to pass on their words of advice to all those who aspire to follow their footsteps. One of such game changers is Ms. Tanvi Ranjan. We happen to share the same Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering. Ms. Tanvi has received 3 PhD offers from MIT, Johns Hopkins and Harvard, along with a job offer from WorldCont. Let us see what she has to say.
I guess it was through internships and projects and publications. Kind of liked studying, but studying from my first year, but I didn't know if the research field was the right field for me. And then I did an internship in industry, which was kind of not exactly industrial, it was research at IBM Research, and I really liked it. And then I tried getting an internship at a university, which will give me a greater idea of research, so as to actually realize whether I really like it or not. And I did, and that internship was at MIT, and it was a great experience with all the research work, the research that professors do, the research projects that they have. They have like very innovative projects that really motivate you to think about science, projects that really want you to contribute to science, projects that really are cool, and it makes you feel really great when you do something on it. At IIT Kharagpur, I did a few projects under professors of my department, and some projects spanned out well, some of them didn't. But all of them taught me that science takes a lot of hard work, and it's more interesting to do than a lot of other things that I've tried my hand at. So I guess IIT Kharagpur has had a major role in getting me those internships and those projects which have taught me a lot of things, both academic and psychological. So I guess that's how IIT Kharagpur stands. I mean, it has played the pivotal role in all of this. So I work in the field of systems biology. It's a very upcoming field, and systems biology is basically the use of engineering aspects to explain biology. It's a field that has not been explored, and there is only one professor in my department who works in this field. I chose that professor because I really liked biology, and I wanted to approach it from an engineering perspective. I mean, I did like biology, but then I didn't like how it was taught in school. So now that I thought that I know engineering, systems biology would be the field for me to go into.